Hello. In this video, you will learn how to navigate the WellSTAR application. On the screen is a landing page for WellSTAR. It contains a data disclosure. Once you have read and agreed to the data disclosure, check this box and then click Accept. This will bring you to the home page of WellSTAR, which contains text regarding the data and maps within WellSTAR. It also contains links to well stimulation application data prior to WellSTAR, to the CalGEM website, and for technical assistance to the service desk. At the top of the page are links, starting with the home page link. This will bring you back to this page from any other page within WellSTAR. Next is the Explore Data dropdown, which contains links to data regarding underground injection control, wells, well maintenance, and well stimulation. Next is the Tools dropdown, which contains a link to do bulk data downloads. Next is the Maps dropdown, which contains a link to the CalGEM mapping service. And last is a link to log in to WellSTAR. A login is used by those who need to submit data to CalGEM.